Hey guys, we're gonna go over how to winterize your jet ski. I have a two-stroke 1100 STX-DI and we are going to winterize it for the season. It is a little dirty. I did pick it up a few months ago, not running, put a new motor in it, sent it to the dealer, had some things done over there, and I finally got it back. It is basically the end of December, so it's time to winterize it. I haven't ridden it all summer, but I know there was water put into the cooling system, so I want to make sure that that system is all fine. There is water in there because I did start up the ski with the hose hooked up. So I went to Walmart, bought a transfer pump, bought a little, like, I think it's a 3-foot hose. And it's gonna hook up right to this exhaust water cooling inlet whenever you wash out your motor, if you do salt water or whatever. So the hose feeds right into there. It's going into the exhaust port, into the flush port actually, and then through the motor. We're gonna use some marine RV Marine antifreeze. So this is gonna stop any of the water from icing over, cracking the block. We do not want that. Got a little bit of grease. This is gonna grease the bearings, grease some of these joints right here. There's one down here, some pivots. As you can tell, this could use a little bit of love, but it is what it is. So let's get right to it. I'm gonna pull the ski right outside, start her up, run this through it, and we'll bring her back inside and finish fogging the cylinders, putting stable in the fuel, and all the other good stuff. So let's get right to it. Alright guys, so it is going to be a little bit windy outside, but don't worry about that. I'll make it quick. Alright, so I got the transfer pump. Hopefully it fits inside. Oh, thank God. That would have been so bad. Alrighty, let's we are making a mess. Gotta love Walmart. Shit. Alright, one more time. Alrighty. Let's see if it got over here. Yeah, as we can see, it is red in here and red inside the elbow, which I can clearly see. So let's bring that up a little bit. All right, so we're gonna start the ski, let it run through. I did just put stable inside the ski, so let's start her up. Yes, this thing needs a wash too, I know. All right, let's start her up. Ah, man. Well, the battery's dead, so I'm gonna charge the battery, start her up, and run it through. Alrighty, so I ran it through. We're gonna put the thing back inside. Alrighty, we got her back inside. It was such a, oh, this is such a mess. It's not supposed to be like this, but it is what it is. Alrighty, let's clean this up. So it is ran through. This jet ski is gonna need a nice wash and come springtime. So throw that over there. Let's close up shop real quick. Alrighty, so I had the trickle charger on it because I knew I was gonna need it, and started right up. Damn. Ran the stable through the motor, ran the antifreeze through the motor, and just had a little bit of a mess, but that's fine. We'll put this back in the box. Make sure there's nothing in here. Perfect. Separate these two thingies because I don't need the battery blowing up. Alrighty, so next thing we're going to do is, I couldn't find white lithium grease, but I'm not worried about these sticking at all. Just because there's a little grease port right here, and then right back there for the articulation for prop. Send that back for reverse. It'll get us clear access to this one right here. Guys, spray this one, spray. It's a little dark. Spray inside there. Spraying that. Alrighty. So once we spray all these, they should be pretty good. I'm not really worried about it. Like I said, I'm only putting this right into a heated shop, so it's not like it's gonna be out in the weather or anything. So yeah, after that, you're gonna fog the cylinders, take the spark plugs out, fog the cylinders. But honestly, I'm probably just gonna run it through the winter anyway, so I'm not really gonna do that step. Put stable in the fuel, stabilize the fuel obviously. And yeah, I mean, other than that, it's pretty straightforward. Basically what we did, we ran the antifreeze through the motor. Yeah, there's a little bit of a mess. You're gonna fog the cylinders. You're going to put lithium grease in the joints, grease the fittings on the trailer if you have a trailer. If not, you know, whatever. Stable in fuel, and yeah, just make sure everything is good. As we can tell that the motor was getting antifreeze because the elbow right there, as you can see, that is red, and here is red. Close that port, put that down. You see it's red right there. It's supposed to be like a clear color, so that's how I know it's gotten inside and then down. because this is a two-walled water-cooled exhaust. So yeah, and then just make sure there's no water in the hole that could crack and expand in the hole. But other than that, it's really straightforward. So if you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. In the next video, actually, we are going to be getting a new, this is a throttle position sensor that I just pulled. It's not even good. So I'm gonna do that one, and a new temperature sensor on the intake side. And yeah, that'll be it. So stay tuned for that if you want to see that, because I do have a check engine light. I don't have a reader, but I can assume by the condition of the positioning sensor, and then I stripped the water in the intake temp sensor. I stripped that apart when I was putting the motor in. So I'm gonna order those two. So that'll be the next video, putting this in, and that'll be a week from now, and I'll start the jet ski up again. So it's not like the jet ski's just gonna sit. Like the jet ski is gonna be started, ran, and then turned back off. So that's why I'm not fogging the cylinders right now. So other than that, hope you guys have a great day. If you guys have any other questions, leave them in the comments below. But yeah, this is how to winterize a jet ski.